Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson, you have learned some units of measurement. There was also a question. How do you say 3 kilos of tomatoes in Italian? A. 3 kg di pomodoro. B. 3 kg di pomodori. The correct answer is B. 3 kg di pomodori. In today's lesson, you will learn how much is it. Let's start. There are 3 ways to say how much is it in Italian. Quant'è? Quanto viene? Quanto costa? Quant'è is used when you want to know the total price of the goods that you bought before paying. But also when you order food or drinks at a restaurant or a coffee shop, you can ask quant'è. Quanto viene is used when you want to know the price of a certain product before buying it. Note that quanto viene is used with singular noun. If the noun is plural, you must use quanto vengono. Quanto costa is used in a similar way like quanto viene. Note that with plural nouns, you need to use quanto costano. Let's see some dialogues from each question. Dialogue 1. Buongiorno, un cappuccino e un cornetto per favore. Good morning, a cappuccino and a croissant please. Ecco, here you are. Quant'è? How much is it? Sono 3 euro. They are 3 euro. Dialogue 2. Scusi, quanto viene il prosciutto crudo? Sorry, how much is raw ham? 2 euro 30 a letto. 2 euro 30 per 100 grams. E quanto vengono le olive? And how much are the olives? 70 centesimi al chilo. 70 cents per kilo. Dialogue 3. Scusi signore, quanto costa un chilo di arance? Excuse me sir, how much is 1 kilo of oranges? 1 euro e mezzo. 1.5 euro. E quanto costano le mele? And how much are the apples? Costano 1 euro al chilo. They cost 1 euro per kilo. Now I have a quiz for you. How do you say how much are the peaches in Italian? A. Quanto costano le pesche? B. Quanto costa la pesca? You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. You can also download for free my podcast. In the next lesson, you will hear a dialogue at the greengrocer's. Grazie, a presto!